All right, we got a 1 ton of fun with the new 2024 Ford F-350 Super Duty FX4 Platinum Silver in color. We've got a Power Stroke diesel underneath the hood, 17-inch chrome wheels wrapped in Michelin's F-350 badging, deployable side steps, heated, vented, and massaging front passenger and driver buckets. Big, huge console with what? A safe inside to keep the valuables. Cup holders, wireless charging connectivity, our climate controls, radio controls, 360-degree camera, and also navigation. We have our different drive modes, four-wheel drive modes, trailer brake controller, pro trailering, back it up with just the touch of a button, full digital cockpit, heads-up display. Also, it has electric tilt pedals and a B&O premium sound system, panoramic sunroof, heated second row, big huge floor mats. There's our wheel covers right here. Also our other floor mats. We have USB hubs, of course, a 12 volts of power, and also a power inverter. In the back, it's long bed. We got 4 cleats, mounts right there. Power right here with AC, and also for your trailer, LED lights, and we're ready for a 5th wheel mount, but of course, a traditional receiver is on the back. So we're ready to rock on our new 2024 Ford F-350 Platinum Super Duty FX4 4-wheel drive dually. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where right here at Payne Rio Grande City Ford, we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.